if I was gonna kill myself, it wouldn't be by jumping in front of a subway car. I realize this because I have really bad timing. So I see the subway coming and I'd be like, alright, 1, 2, 3, and I'd jump and just slam right to the side of the car. Just embarrassing myself. The doors would open and just get on. Go to Yorkdale, buy myself something fruity to cheer me up. That'd be awesome. I take the subway a lot because that's how you get around, because really who was hard. So I was taking the subway with a female friend of mine, going somewhere fun, and so we're sitting down, and this homeless guy comes up to us and goes, hey, you dykes got a quarter? I'm like, no, I'm like, I don't have a quarter, I'm not a lesbian, sorry. And he's like, great, so you can give me a blowjob. I don't think that's how it works. So, he's like, see, that's why you don't have a boyfriend. I'm like, no, I have a boyfriend. And then I just realized I lied to a homeless guy about my relationship status. So I gave him a blowjob.